Hi, this is the third video of the series of 3 videos where we will share with you how to install PHP My Admin into a LAMP stack and upload a dynamic website into that server. But before you do that, you need to make your server ready, and for that you need to watch the first video of this series where I explained in detail how to make your server ready. So you need to watch the first video and then you follow me through the third video where I explain how to install PHP My Admin. Hi, this is the third video of the series of 3 video. Here I will explain you how you can host a dynamic website into your EC2 server, how you can upload and host that website and get a free SSL certificate. In the first video I explain you how to launch a server and how to make it ready, so you have to see the first video of this series where I explained you how you can launch the server and how you can install a LAMP stack into that server. The next step is you will copy that IP address, you will go into your domain. In this example I'm using this domain, so you don't have to use this domain, you will use your own domain. So you will go in your domain DNS settings, you will set an area code of that IP address and then you save it. That's it, that's all done from this side. Now this domain is pointing towards this IP address, which is our EC2 IP address. Okay, so the next thing we will do, you have to download this document. This will explain you step by step what you have to do to host that website. So in step 1, and before you start doing it, make sure that your server is ready. Like in my first video I explain you how to make the server ready. You have to install LAMP stack into that server. So once you install the LAMP stack in, what you will do, you will go and start from here, step 9. Okay, so you will copy it, paste it. Okay, copy, paste, and again I'm using this name because my domain is this name. You don't have to use this domain. Make sure you change this name to the domain that you are hosting on your server. Okay, here you will paste this virtual host. So basically you're creating a virtual host. Paste it. Make sure you enter your own correct domain name. Okay, you don't have to enter these details, you don't have to enter these email address. You have to enter your own email address, a real one, because if you want to get your SSL certificate for free, the Let's Encrypt will email you. So you need to enter your own email address, yeah, your correct domain, and here your correct domain, and here make sure you change as well the folder names that you created here. Okay, so you change all these details. After changing, you go exit, Y, enter. Okay, and then you need to enable that website. So you enable that website and then you have to reload the Apache reloaded. This one you will copy it, you paste it. This will take a while, so I will come back when this will install everything. So you have to, so this will install Python 3, which we need for to install our certificate. So I'll come back and I'll show you. Okay. Coming back, here I run this command and I run this command. As you can see, the certificate has already been deployed. um, and let's check if the certificate is working. Yeah, certificate is working. As you can see, the certificate is valid. So certificate is valid and is issued by Let's Encrypt. Okay, so the certificate is working absolutely fine. So this command is for if you want to renew your certificate automatically, because with this command you will get um, your 3 months of certificate, and if you want to renew it automatically you need to give this command. And make sure you change the details. Do not put these details in. You will not going to get any certificate. You need to put your correct correct email address and your correct domain here. Okay, just replace those details and then you run this command. And if we want to test that certificate, the website, so you copy it. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I press enter too many times. Okay, so basically what you just have to copy this and paste it here. That's it. And then you um, exit, save it and exit. And then let's check if your website is working. So what we have to do, so we created a page, php info.php page we created here. So if I go on my website and if I type my website and info.php, as you can see the page is working, which is absolutely fine. Yeah, so this part is done. Yes. Okay, so this part is done. The second part is I have to show you how you can add users. So here, if you want to add users, you just copy it. Let me clear it. Okay, so you copy it, you paste it. If you want to add any user, you type that name. If you have any name, you can type. Well, if you type Kim or John, any here in this example I will just say user. Yeah, so you add user. Use If you want to set the password, you give password for that user. And then if you want to add these details, it's completely up to you. Okay, and if you want to give that user administrative permission, you run this command. Make sure you change the name of put you enter exactly the name of that user. That user will become an administrator. And the second one, if you want to switch the user from root to this, so you can run this command. So it is only for your information to learn how this command work. If you need to, and if you want to delete it, so for delete you will use this command, these commands for delete. I'm sure you can figure it out, how you can. So this is for to delete from the administrator, from sudo is like administrator. And then if you want to completely delete that user, you can run this command. For example, if the user that I created, if I paste here and if I type user, because the user that I created was the name was user, and I think it was in lowercase. So you see it's deleted that user. So this is how you delete the user. And moving forward, here you need to do some changes, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, and this is just to explain you how, if you want to learn about it. The third step is you copy it. Here you have to change some settings. If you want to get into your server, you need to change some settings. So if you go here, you go down, you need to do some changes here where it's a permit root login. You just have to say yes, because basically what you're saying that you want to give permission that root user like administrator can access this server with only username and password. Okay, and here password authentication, you will say yes. You will exit it, why save it, and then that's it. Okay, now you need to um, reload the SSH. Okay, um, copy it, paste it, reload it. Okay, now I'll show you what I mean when I say um, add users. Yeah, so you will open the putty, and you will only need now at this time, because you already add the user, you will only need your IP address. You don't need your key to log in now. Only IP address. Open, write the name of the user, in my case is root, and the password. That's it. You see, we don't need any key to log in. So okay, so the last thing is so this is done. I'll show you very quickly how to install PHP into that website. And so to install PHP, you need this document, and this is the command to install PHP. You copy it, paste it. Okay, just click OK. Here it's a no, done. And then you copy this command, and here at the end, you will add this line. Just copy this line. Sorry, I think I did a mistake. Okay, you copy it, you will go at the end, and then you paste it, and then exit, y yes, and then you restart your Apache. Okay, and then all you have to do is, this is the last step, you just have to create a user into your localhost, your database, so you can access your php my admin. Okay, so you will go into your Mysql, and you type your password, and then you create a user. Again, please do not keep copy and paste as it is. You have to change the username, the one that you want. Okay, here you will enter the password, and here you will enter the username. Okay, so I'm just to show you, so I'm leaving it as it is. And then I will say grant privileges, copy it, paste it, enter, and then say exit. Okay, everything is done now. Let's see if our php my admin is working. So to access php my admin, you will write php my admin. Yeah, php my admin is working, and my username was I believe it was a user, yeah, capital letter user and the capital letter password. I think I did mistake. So username and password. Oh, username and password. Yeah, you see this is working. Here you can add users, you can add databases, create tables, and whatever you want to do, you can do it here. So I will show you, which is a very good trick for your education purposes. Do not leave this PHP My Admin like that. PHP, do not leave like PHP My Admin, because if anyone can go on your website and they can type php my admin, and they will go, you know, on this page, and they will start entering all the details, and then it's not good for you. Almost like, especially bots, are always looking for this page. So I'll show you how you can change the address of this page. At the moment we can access phpmyadmin from this command, from this URL, phpmyadmin. Yeah, and I'll show you how you can change that as well, changing the default page to the custom name. So you copy this. Okay, so here all you have to do is your alias. You see alias here, whatever name you want to give, you can give here. You can say um, you can say hello buddy. Yeah, and then that's it. Exit, save, exit. Now after doing that, you have to run this command. You need to restart your Apache to take effect. So you copy it, paste it, restart. Now let me show you what I mean. So if I go to php my admin, this page will not work. Yeah, because I changed the location of that page. I set alias to a different one. Now if I type hello buddy, now from here only I know the location of that page, so automatic bots will not be able to find that page. Here I can type my username and password, and I can go into the database of phpmyadmin. Okay, so this is done. The last step is I will show you how you can upload a website. So I have a prototype of a website, a dynamic website here. So this is the website which is I made it. So um, for that we need FileZilla. Remember in the first video I asked you to download this, so you will need this to upload the website. So you go on your FileZilla, you type your IP address, IP, copy, paste. Here you will type your username. In my case it's root, and I will type my password, and the port is 22, and I will connect. Remember when we were making the directory of our website, so that all the directory are in this folder. So you have to go var www html, and this is the website, this is the folder. So you have to go in that folder and then into the public. So this one you can delete it because you don't need it anymore. So you can delete this one, and then if the way that you upload your website is, of course, this website does not have a database connected with it. So this website, I'll just show you how you can upload that website. So you copy it into that folder. Okay, that is done, and let's see if it's working. There you go. You type your website. Yeah, you see this website is working. So what we learned, a quick summary today: how you can host a dynamic website, how you can install a SSL certificate, how you can add and remove user as well, and how you can upload a website. If you have any question, please comment, and I will try my best to answer. them. Thank you very much. How to install PHP My Admin into the server. Oh shit. No. And or any or other software, and I made a mistake. How you can install website? How can you install? La, 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 la. If your website. Biggest example of CMS is WordPress, or it can be la 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 and la la la.